Hey guys, what's going on? James, JRC Studios here, out here at World of RC in Lucama, North Carolina. I have a fresh unboxing for you coming. You guys are all familiar with the standard Losi Nascars that have been out. Everybody has their favorite model, all kinds of custom bodies, everything like that. Well, today, I just got my hands on the new Asphalt late model car from Losi. All right, so of course I had to go with the Sundrop model, being I live in the eastern part of North Carolina. Sundrop is a staple here, so that obviously was the correct choice for me. So they also do have the number 8 Earnhardt, just like I showed previously, but in this Asphalt late model. So I'll let you guys kind of take a look. There's nothing really special on the box. You guys are kind of familiar with these. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right guys, as you can see, I did get it unboxed here. Obviously you have the car itself, has your controller as usual. Comes with your standard USB charger, nothing special or fancy. Your 1400 milliamp battery, as with all the Losi NASCARs come with. Your batteries, your little Allen wrench, the little key for the ESC to reset it, and all your quick start guide manuals and all the fun stuff. So this one's a little different because obviously it does not have any clips on it. So all you have to do is right here on the bottom side, you can kind of see right there's a button. You take and push this button. You gotta push it pretty good. It's actually quite tight. And it pops off. And then it pops off, the bottom slides off. You can kind of see there's a little spot here and a spot right in there. And it kind of grooves in and allows it to go down. So since we have this off, there's the chassis itself, nothing crazy, nothing out of ordinary. Your standard Spectrum ESC and motor. But you do have these nice Hoosier branded tires. So less enough fun. I've got some batteries charged up, ready to go. Let's actually head out to the track behind me, run it around on the dirt oval a few rounds, and see how we can do. All right guys, we got the battery in, everything's on, everything is working. So let's get this body on. Nice clipless system, goes right here just like this. And should link in. There we go. Again, everything's working, so let's head to the track. All right guys, we got everything trimmed up, we got it running. We're gonna start out simple and easy because new car, and let's see how it does. All right guys, so as you can see, got around the lap, several laps around, even had the race director help me out a little bit. We were able to get 4.8, 4.9s on this. He said anything lower, was right out the box. That's pretty consistent. Super prepped everything. You probably get down to like a 4.3 or so with this, with a little bit. So guys who knows what they're doing and like me can probably get there. But for now, can't really argue with those results out of the box. I want to thank World of RC here in Lucama, North Carolina again. Give me a hand with this unboxing and race around the track. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.